My name is Aisha, and I started my career really as an actress in Australia. And I did TV in Australia. I've done some feature films as well. And I studied film production. And so I moved to America about 8 years ago, and I've been a film producer and video producer ever since then. Prior to enrolling with AA, I used to be a video producer working for an education company. So it was right around the pandemic, and I just wanted to start a business. I wanted to do something. I wasn't sure what it was. So a previous client of mine had actually told me about Sunny. So I started seeing Sunny's ads all over, and I enrolled, and it was amazing. It was life-changing. This is how AA has actually benefited me and my business. Before I started, I didn't have a business. So when I enrolled into AA, that's when I knew how to collect money. That's when I knew how to interview people to learn what my clients really, really want. And before that, it's like, even as a content creator now, I didn't know what to create about because I was just like trying to create what I saw out there. But now it's like I have a better understanding of my target audience, and I'm continuing to learn more about my target audience. So AA has really helped me to give me this education, not only about my business, but also about myself as well, and what I can do and what I'm capable of. Some tangible results that I've achieved ever since I enrolled in AA were, first of all, the first two clients I enrolled are still like friends of mine. Like, we're still like reaching out to each other. Like, we'll still like check up on each other. Not as much as we used to when we worked together, but we'd still check up on each other. And I love that I have that relationship with them. And another thing that AA gave me was that like that financial reward of saying to someone, hey, I have this offer, this thing that I think will benefit you. And that person goes ahead and purchase that thing, and then it actually goes on and benefit them. So to me, it was like that superpower that I didn't know that I had, to be able to influence someone else to improve their lives. So to me, those are some incredible, tangible things that AA has given me. If you're thinking of enrolling into the AA program, I say do it. Sunny is no joke, by the way, so you better come with your A game. Sunny is no joke. You are like, when you come in, you are coming in to improve yourself as well as your business. And that's what I love about AA, is that you are not coming as that, you're not going to leave. Well, you're actually going to stay in the program, but you won't leave as the same person that came in, because you are going to go through challenges, and these are challenges that are good for you. These are challenges that are going to build your muscles, like your mental muscles, even your physical muscles, because when you come in, you want to do better for yourself, you want to do better for your client, and you want to do better for your business. So I'd say enroll if you're thinking of it.